Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the principles of zoning. Zoning is the division of land in town planning into particular zones based upon some criteria or principles agreed upon. So there are some of the principles which is applied while zoning a town or a region. Concentric growth, boundary, existing town, flexibility, and new towns. We will now discuss them in detail. Concentric growth. The usual pattern of the zone is in the form of concentric bands. The central area of the town is followed by developed area, green areas, and underdeveloped areas. The growth of the building is spread from center in all directions is called concentric growth. This type of buildings usually form a ring and consist of residential buildings surrounded by commercial areas. This type of growth is natural and totally unplanned. When the population goes on increasing, the concentric circles are again surrounded by people. These areas are called the suburbs of the city. Boundaries are the important element in zoning. Usually the boundaries between two zones can be road, railway line, river, a wall, or a green belt. Green belt is preferred to all others. The existence of boundaries depend on the rule of law. Sometimes boundaries are broken and two zones seems to mix. This type of the area is then called transition zone. There can be existing towns. While zoning and planning new towns, the planner must keep in mind the convenience of the existing towns. Zoning should be done in such a way so as not to disturb the ecosystem of the already existing towns. New towns should be provided room for zoning of site. For designing a new town of non-population, the area required of residence and business are clearly marked and town then divided. Thank you for discussion. Now you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can get update of new video.
In with a chance of winning one of these. You simply need to like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications and comment below which gift you would like.